This is a Dragon Blazer production.
We are doing raining blood.
That's right. Alright, so first, we need to measure 20 liters of vegetable oil in the beaker. So,
Vegetable oil.
alright, see that line?
Yep.
We need to get into that line. Oh, we should also tell them that we got 150 milliliters of water in this cup. Okay? So
this, we need this.
Oh, I gotta open that, huh? Alright.
That cord's in the
So
way.
can you measure it?
Yep.
Okay, be careful. Just 20 liters or milliliters. Keep going, keep going. Right there. Alright, now put the lid on it.
That was vegetable oil, guys.
Alright, now we need to add 5 drops of red coloring to the oil and mix vigorously until the drops disappear and the oil is red. So we gotta open this. Okay. So, 5 drops, remember, 5 drops in the vegetable oil. Here we go. Squeeze it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, lid. Alright, now we gotta stir it. That's what this is for.
Stir.
You gotta keep your mask on, son. You gotta slowly add the red oil to the cup, pouring it down the inside walls of the cup so that it doesn't form bubbles. The oil floats to the top. Alright, and then stand back and watch as the red coloring seeps down through the less dense oil and into the water. As each drop leaves the oil, it looks like raining blood. So, you gotta pour it all right there on the side, okay? Okay, right on the side of the... There we go. Alright, I think our experiment is done.
Yep.
Say bye to the camera.